for, which makes this bespoke. So what we're going to do with this car, since the car has been fully rebuilt, fully repainted, is that we are going to protect every single panel on here, all custom installed so that it can be as seamless as possible, using ClearGuard Alpha G2 so that all of the beautiful paint will not have excess orange peel texture, especially since most of the panels have been rebuilt with carbon fiber. So what we're going to do now is get this project started. You're going to take a glimpse at our entire process, and at the very end I'm going to do a detailed walk around to show you every single panel and show you exactly how we do it and give you some close-up shots of the final results. So check this out.